You can see the screen is pretty damaged, big crack right here, and starting to lose everything. So we'll turn off the power. And what we need to do is we need to take this frame plastic piece off the front, and after that is done, we'll be able to just access the screws that hold the screen in place. So you just simply pull out and it'll snap off. The hardest part is making sure you don't damage the corners. A little pry tool here. It's pretty straightforward. It comes out very easily. Now there's two little corner pieces down in the front of each corner right here. You can see it there. There's one in each corner. So what it is there's just a little screw behind a little sticker. So you just pull the sticker off, and there's a little Phillips screw underneath there. So that's what's under there. So we'll do the other side. So now that both sides are off, this frame piece just finishes coming out. Set it off to the side. And you'll notice there are 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4 holding in this display. So I just need to get those screws out. Turn on my light on my phone for a little help to see them. So the display should just come out now. And there's a video connection right here. A little ribbon cable connection there that needs to come off. And then the display's out. There's a little piece of what looks like tape on top of there, and it looks like it just lifts up easily with some tweezers or something. And I ripped the whole thing out. That's not good. So the new display has a nice protective plastic sheet on there. Definitely want to leave that on until the end. You can see my new connection point. So I'll just put the display down where the other one was, reconnect my ribbon cable. I'm going to just lift up this tacky strip there, and it just simply slides in to the frame here. Getting it just right is proving to be a little difficult. I can see how that just slips in there, so there's a real need for this tape to hold it in place. So I'm going to just set it up here and turn it on and see if the display is connected properly before I go any further. And with a little bit of fine play with the connector, I was able to get it in perfectly. And you can see my screen's working, booting up. Just wait till the full screen comes online. So I'm booted up on the BIOS screen. Looks like my battery is extremely low, but monitor's working. So I'm just going to re-put in these 4 screws, then snap the cover back on and screw it in at the bottom. We should be good to go. Just applying a little pressure with my thumb as I screw that in to make sure it's nice and snug. And there's a little small black knob right here that aligns with the pin hole in the tab. So when you screw it on, it's got a pin and the screw holding it in place. That's the same on all 4 of these. I'm also noticing this cord over here needs to be tucked up underneath there perfectly. So probably definitely something you need to watch out for. Actually, there is a little trench there. You can see it right there where the cord needs to slip inside that. So let me just route that cord into there. There's a little lip right here that I'm routing the cord around as well. So it comes up over a little ridge right there and then down in along this groove, and then it connects into the display. So that should be the right position for that cord or that cable so that it doesn't get damaged. Now let's try this again. Again, start with the top corner. Get the bottom in just close. There, that went in nice and easy after that. Put in my last 2 screws. Make it look really good, but it's never going to be the original, so. And there you have it. And as you can see, the display looks perfect.